Okay, so here's part B. We've built 1 squared, 2 squared, 3 squared, 4 squared, 5 squared, and we've put together the orange and the yellow ones already, but I wanted to leave them separate so you could see. So go ahead and build the blue pyramid.
So you just have to stack them.
Yeah, you have to stack them, and our connections are not super great. Our snap cubes are getting a little loose. So, all right, let's put this together and see what we notice.
So,
Whoops.
There are some loose connections, but it's basically the same way.
Okay. All right. So the question is, what do we have now? Let's see if we can rotate the shape around so the camera can see it. What do we have now?
So it looks like we still have that extra bit hanging off.
All right, we do have one little extra bit hanging off, and what does that extra bit look like?
It looks like a staircase or one of our little pyramids, like from a side view.
Okay, it looks like a staircase.
That.
All right, great. And is the rest of this part a cube?
Well, no, it's you have this top bit. There's some like this is a cube here.
Ah, okay. Let's go rotate to this side. This side ends up being, well, not a cube.
But a square.
A square.
And that side's a square.
Which side? This side back here?
Well, if you take away this bit, it's a square.
All right. If you take away our staircase, you get a square. Sorry, these cubes are so loose. Okay.
And then
what about the top? Once you take away this part.
It's a rectangle on top.
It's a rectangle. Okay, so how do I make this into a cube? What do I have to do?
So it looks like you have to take off the top. You have to take off, well, this side, this all orange side, and this staircase.
Okay. So if I take off one side over here, and then the staircase.
Looks like you'll get a cube.
I'm left with a 5 by 5 cube. All right. Sorry for our dog yawning in the background. All right, so that's very interesting. So it looks like if I add 3 of my pyramids together, take off a staircase, take off a square side, I'm left with a cube. Let's see if we can write down the algebra for that, okay?
Yep.